Hey guys, welcome to Code Wrestling, and this is gonna be another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 emerging artificial intelligence startup in Israel. Artificial intelligence has become one of the most important thing in every industry. While the tech war between USA, China, European Union and other nations escalates, Israel too aims to lead the race. Some survey have found that the Israel rank among the top 5 countries in the world for AI solution. It has more AI company and startup per capita than USA. As per one research, Israel AI ecosystem that grew from 512 company in 2014 to 1,150 by the end of 2019, an increase of 120% in a span of 5 years. This include companies that develop core artificial intelligence technology and the one that utilize it for the vertical related products and services. Even the international tech leaders are either investing in Israel AI market or establishing unit or labs there. In 2020, the Israel Innovation Authority provided grants to 219 companies working on AI technologies for a total sum of roughly $415 million. So let's talk about what are these AI startups which are emerging in Israel. So number one in my list is Aerobotics. Aerobotics offer an end-to-end and fully automatic solution for collecting aerial data and gaining invaluable insight. The startup blends expertise in aerospace, hardware design, robust electronic system, leading software engineering, and years of experience in commercial drone operation. This varied experience has allowed them to design a solution suited to address the need of the world's most complex industrial environment, such as mining, seaport, and oil and gas. The second in my list is Cortica. Cortica has developed autonomous AI that simulates the natural process of mammal cortex to understand how the brain encodes digital images. Based on this technology, it provides AI and computer vision solution for autonomous driving, facial recognition, and general visual recognition in real time and at large scale for smart cities, medical imaging, photo management, and autonomous vehicle. The third in my list is Gong.io. Gong.io enables revenue team to realize their fullest potential by unveiling customer reality. Its patented Gong revenue intelligence platform capture and understand every customer interaction that delivers insight at scale, empowering revenue team to make decisions based on data instead of opinion. It does that by dissecting hundreds of parameters in each call to get a more objective breakdown of what tactics are effective with the aim of improving deal conversion. The fourth in my list is LeadSpace. LeadSpace help company take back control of their marketing and sales data with its leading artificial intelligence B2B customer data platform. It integrates with all popular CRM platform and leverages AI to help drive more pipeline and generate better quality leads. This helps client to get smart and apply a deep and unique understanding of B2B business model for more effective scoring, targeting, and insights. The fifth in my list is Logs.io. Logs.io provides a scalable and intelligent machine data analytics platform built on ELK and Grafana for monitoring modern application. Logs.io platform consists of 4 products: log management, infrastructure monitoring, distributed tracking, and cloud SIEM that works together to unify the jobs of monitoring, troubleshooting, and security. Its cloud-based technology also uses predictive analysis and machine learning algorithm to flag issues. The sixth in my list is Nexer. Nexer's AI dashboard CAM application provides documentation, recording video, and situational reconstruction in case of an accident. This startup employs machine vision and sensor fusion algorithm, leveraging the built-in sensor of iOS and Android phone. Using this vehicle-to-vehicle network, Nexer also can warn of dangerous situations beyond the driver line of sight. The next in my list is Sentinel-1. Sentinel-1 aims to solve the challenge of endpoint security for mobile employees who need to connect to a company network as well as cloud server and with personal communication services and IoT devices. Its AI-based platform analyzes data in real time to identify anomalies and provide a response to attack. It offers machine learning based solution for monitoring and securing laptop, phones, and application and the many other devices and other services connected to a network. The next is Tab9. This company was earlier known as Codota. It aims to help software developer code faster and smarter with artificial intelligence by auto-completing string of code, which makes development more productive, less error-prone, and more fun. The startup feeds open source code to an AI algorithm to learn code pattern and suggest the line of tested debugged code from working programs. The ninth emerging startup of Israel in my list is VoiceIt. VoiceIt is a speech recognition startup and social enterprise that has developed a automatic speech recognition ASR technology that translates non-standard speech pattern into a clear speech in real time, enabling children and adults with severe speech impairment and disabilities to access mainstream voices, activated technology and devices. The last in my list is Zebra Medical Vision. Zebra Medical Vision imaging analytics platform allows healthcare institutions to identify patients at a risk of disease and offer them a preventive treatment pathway to improve patient care. The company's AI solution analyzes millions of clinical imaging data in real time, detecting various medical indications, enabling it to be the only medical imaging company with such a wide range of products. It has secured multiple regulatory approvals such as FDA and CE marks and is installed in hospitals globally. So these are the top 10 emerging AI startups of Israel. Thanks for watching the video.